Okay. Sorry.
It is better to have a failed relationship than a failed marriage.
You love this girl and this girl loves you so dearly.
So you have the audacity, the temerity, the impetus to kidnap and molest my fiancé.
How dare you call me and talk to me like that? Do you realize who you're talking to?
My brother, I swim fire, swim flame, swim ocean. For Singapore, to Singapore, do things to the core.
Man, I'm here alone. I'm lonely. Men are scared of coming close to me.
See, on Saturday, I'm learning dance on Saturday. Forget about you and get married to me.
Mike, are you crazy?
I'm only crazy for your love.
You'll be married to a lady called Ifoma this weekend.
Listen, Ifoma, I'm sorry the wedding has been cancelled.
And now because of this wedding that I did everything possible to show the style.
Chukwuka, you plotted this. You carried it out.
I was wondering what exactly happened. Why that man just abandoned the wedding like that. Did you cheat on him?
How can I start all over again?
You haven't seen me interrogate people, criminals. Once they see my face, they start singing.
What did my sister do to you?
I will mess you up. You have dared the lion.
Who enter market, go price, go buy. And who buy, go pay. Who pay, go collect.
As a matter of fact, the wedding cancellation demand stands.
See the wedding between you and my sister. According to plan, one night you go home. You will marry my sister, otherwise.